Learning English. Ordinal numbers in everyday life. Examples and practice exercises. Welcome to our English language learning video. In this lesson, we will be focusing on ordinal numbers in everyday life. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate the position or order of things, and they are an important part of everyday English conversation. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to use ordinal numbers correctly. Let's get started. Ordinal numbers are used to describe the order or position of objects, people, or events. They are often used when talking about dates, ranks, positions, and sequences. To form ordinal numbers, we usually add th to the cardinal number, such as first, second, third, and so on. However, there are some irregular forms like 11th and 12th that you need to be aware of. It's important to note that ordinal numbers are often written in abbreviated forms, especially when indicating dates. For example, first represents first, second represents second, and third represents third. The abbreviations follow a specific pattern, and it's crucial to familiarize yourself with these forms for better communication. Let's look at some examples of how ordinal numbers are used in everyday life. 1. Today is my sister's 10th birthday. Here, we use the ordinal number, 10th, to indicate the specific position of the birthday celebration. 2. She finished in third place in the race. In this sentence, the ordinal number, third, tells us the position in which she finished the race. 3. The 1st of January is New Year's Day. The ordinal number, first, is used to indicate the first day of January. 4. My flight leaves on the 6th. Here, we use the abbreviated form, 6th, to refer to the specific day of departure. Remember, these examples demonstrate how ordinal numbers are used in different contexts. Pay attention to the structure and placement of these numbers to enhance your English communication skills. Now, let's practice using ordinal numbers. I will provide a sentence, and you can try to fill in the blank with the correct ordinal number. 1. He finished in __ place in the spelling competition. Think about the position he finished in and fill in the blank. 2. I live on the __ floor of my apartment building. Consider the level you live on and write the correct ordinal number. 3. Our anniversary is on the __ of June. Recall the date of your anniversary and complete the sentence. Take a moment to pause the video and write down your answers. Once you're ready, we'll go through the solutions together. Congratulations! You've learned about ordinal numbers and how to use them in everyday life. By understanding ordinal numbers, you can describe the position or order of things accurately. Keep practicing and using ordinal numbers in your conversations to improve your English fluency. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!